Hi, my beautiful friend, and welcome. Today, I'm going to make these little birds and paint them with you. They are very easy to do, and I hope this video inspires you to create something beautiful. As we watch their shapes and color comes alive in clay, let's open our hearts to the message they bring. Love, kindness, and connection. You, my beautiful friend, let yourself breathe deeply and settle into calm. This little blue rain is a small, delicate, yet full of vibrant spirits. The blue wren is small, delicate, yet full of vibrant spirit. He flutters lightly, with feathers painted in the softest blue, like the sky at dawn. He reminds us of gentle strengths, the power found in quiet presence. The blue wren sings a song of hope, a melody that touches the soul. You are gentle. You are strong. Beside the blue wren sits the colorful mockingbird, bright and bold. His feathers burst with colors like a painter's palette. Vibrant reds, yellow, green, blue, and purple. He is a voice of joy and freedom. This little bird teaches us to embrace our true colors, to celebrate the unique song only we can sing. Your spirit shines bright. You are free to express your true self. I really like making birds. These two birds share a special bond. Together, they remind us that love and kindness is important. Each voice, each color, each heart is valuable and beautiful. Like these birds, we can stand side by side, supporting each other with compassion and care. I am connected. I honor others and myself. Love flows freely through me. Please take a moment now to feel the calm that these birds inspire. Breathe in their peaceful presence. I am calm. I am loved. I am kindness. I choose peace. I choose love. My heart is open. I am love, and my heart is open. Allow these words to wash over you like a gentle breeze. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me. May your heart stay light, your spirit bright, and your days filled with gentle love. Until the next video, my friend, take care, and I love you.